Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to go to the 90 FPS gameplay Battlegrounds mobile game test in the Poco X3 Pro device. Yes friends, right now I'm trying to play the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Poco X3 Pro device. Let's see friends how is the FPS going to maintain in the Poco X3 Pro with the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS. And during this time of testing I'll be using the config file which you can actually find in my Telegram channel. There you can actually download the config file directly from there. So right now as you can see the real-time FPS meter statistics you can see, and I'm trying to use the Realme gaming triggers as well during this process of testing. So these are the Realme gaming triggers which I'm trying to use. And overall you can see the FPS meter, it's maintaining pretty good consistently. 90 FPS I'm getting, not bad regarding the FPS meter. Overall you can see friends it's maintaining pretty good with the 90 FPS, not bad. But overall you can see friends real-time FPS meter how it's maintaining. So after this one team deathmatch, let's do the normal classic map drop test. Let's see how is the drop test going to be there in the classic match. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate right now. So right now as you can see friends, I'm trying to do exactly drop test in the boot camp. And let's see what happens with the 90 FPS. The Poco X3 Pro, will it be able to maintain really good stable FPS or not? So recently I tried to do this kind of 90 FPS Battlegrounds mobile game test in few of the smartphones. So few phones they do have the default settings of 90 FPS, but few phones we need to use a config file and GFX file. So let's say right now the drop test what happens. So right now the FPS we're getting up to 90, 80 FPS, 64 is the lowest FPS we did see during this process of testing. 64 is the lowest value at this moment. Let's do the normal team deathmatch drop test. So right now as you can see friends, definitely in the team deathmatch it was able to maintain pretty good regarding the FPS count, not a big problem. As you can see friends, overall it was able to maintain pretty good regarding the FPS. Let's see friends, this is the last teamnet match which I'll try to do today for the testing for the Poco X3 Pro device. Let's see after this one how much the temperatures. Right now I think it must be increased up to 40 degrees I guess. 37.6, not bad. So I'm trying to play the Paragon's mobile game continuously with the 90 FPS for the past 10 minutes of time as well. Still it was able to maintain pretty good. 37.6 FPS overall it did maintain. So not bad, and after this match I'll try to end up this video. So let's see. Overall with the 90 FPS, definitely friends, with the GFX tool and config file only you will be able to play. Unfortunately till now the Poco X3 so finally last kill. Yep. So definitely it was able to maintain really good stable performance, but the temperatures you can see how quite high it did increase. 39.2. So if I try to play the game for the next couple of minutes as well, definitely the temperature is going to increase really higher. So that's kind of perfectly sure. So playing at 90 FPS, this is one kind of disadvantage, that the temperatures will definitely increase really very high. So you need to always make sure that. And Poco X3 Pro with the Snapdragon 860, this processor will be able to handle pretty good the Paragon's mobile game anyway. As you can see, not bad. And some users, they do have the touch issues in the Poco X3 Pro device while playing the game. If you try to use a multiple finger gestures. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Definitely next time I'll try to come back with another phone with a 90 FPS gameplay test as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know more details. So meanwhile, until signing off, until then, bye.